Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a new project using WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily set up a new project on the WordPress platform in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you will see the option to log in. When you locate the login option in the top right, click on it. This is the gateway to accessing your WordPress dashboard and project management features. After you click login, you will be prompted with several options for authentication. In this case, you can proceed quickly by selecting the option that says Continue with Google. Clicking on Continue with Google will prompt you to choose one of your Google accounts for authentication. If you have multiple accounts, simply click on the one you would like to use for managing your WordPress site. After successfully signing in with your Google account, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now it is time to move on to managing your projects. Within the dashboard, look for a section labeled Portfolio. Click on Portfolio to open the area where your projects are organized. This section allows you to view your existing projects and serves as the starting point for creating a new project. Once you have accessed the Portfolio section, the next step is to create your new project. At the top of the screen, you will find an option to add a new project. Click on Add New Project to begin the process of populating your project with relevant content. This step is where you will have the opportunity to add images, text, or any other media that will help bring your project to life. With the new project interface open, you can now add content to your project. This stage might involve inserting a title, introducing descriptive text, and even uploading images or media files depending on the requirements of your project. Take your time to ensure that all content is accurate, engaging, and structured in a way that meets your objectives. At this point, consider how you would like your project to be presented. Whether you are showcasing a portfolio of past work or developing a new venture, carefully review your content to make sure it is ready for the public. Finally, once you are satisfied with the details and structure of your project, look towards the top right corner of the interface once more. Here you will find the Publish button. Clicking on Publish will make your new project live on your WordPress site. This final step secures your work online and allows your audience to view your latest project immediately. Following these simple instructions, you have now learned how to navigate to WordPress, log in, access your portfolio section, create a new project, add your content, and ultimately publish it. This streamlined process is designed to get your project up and running quickly while allowing you the flexibility to personalize it in any way you choose. Enjoy building and showcasing your work on WordPress.